Hi everybody, it's 1:20 and 10 seconds now on Monday, April 30th, and this is the main drawing for the Fantastic Four CGC 4.5 number 49, which is going to the first place person who comes in first, and the raw copy of ff454 First in Humans, that goes to the person that comes in second. Okay, here are our R20 filled spots. Andrew 1579 from the mini. You already paid for spot 2 yourself. Rob Young, you got spots 13, 16, 17, and 18 from the mini. So let's do our 3 dice and get this show on the road. Number is lucky 7 for somebody. Alright, so away we go. Best of luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is the final one. 7. Joe Perdermo wins the slab, and Andrew Barrett, you win Fantastic Four number 45. Time is 1:21 and 24 seconds.